So to talk about commercial water filters, we have our in-house NATE certified service technician, Paul Lecomte. Paul?
Thanks, Chris. So today we're going to talk about how easy it is to identify, order, and replace your filter. Here I have the 3M Kuno filter. So go up to your filter. You might find this located on the back of your ice machine. You might find it on the wall behind your piece of equipment. First thing you need to do is look at the filter. Here we have the HF20S. So that's all you need to know. Give us a call and order up your filter. We'll deliver it in a few business days and then you can install it. Alright, so changing your filter is really easy. You do not need to call a service company to do this. First thing you need to do is turn off your piece of equipment that the water filter's supplying. Next, you come over and shut off the water supply to the filter. Once you've done that, now there's no pressure left in the filter. 3M makes this super easy. All you need to do is hold the head of your filter, grab the filter itself, and give it a quarter turn to the left. It'll come right out. You might get a little bit of water dripping out, but there's a check valve in there so all the water won't come flying out. Go ahead and grab your new filter, insert it in the bottom, give it a quarter turn, and you're ready to go. The 3M filters come pre-charged, do not need any flushing. So once you install it, all you do is very slowly open the valve and you can hear the water fill up the filter. It'll go to the machine, turn your machine back on, make sure it's in operating mode, and you're good to go. One more thing you might want to do is right in the beginning you have this floating orange needle. You're going to want to set that as low as you could possibly get it because it's going to rest right next to the black needle. This is going to tell you how much pressure is going through the filter when you first install it. And then it'll give you a reference point as the pressure drops in your filter, how much it's dropped since you've installed it. If the black needle ever gets down into the red zone, the filter is completely clogged, and call us right away. We'll get a new one out to you.
And that's how you replace a commercial water filter. Thanks, Paul. Seems pretty easy and it seems like everyone can do it.